Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you off your do not disturb setting in your Vivo phone guys. You have guys this same like this option guys, you have on by mistake and whatever. So guys, you can off this do not disturb setting in your Vivo phone. And guys, now let's see how to off do not disturb in Vivo phone. So let's see friends how to off. First of all guys, come in your phone setting to off this do not disturb. Guys, click on the sound setting and guys click on do not disturb guys, you can see. So guys, click here, turn off now. So guys, we will off from here. So guys, do not disturb will off in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off do not disturb in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.